Hello everyone, my name is Morel and welcome back to the Brandon Community YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning about basic multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a way of adding the same number multiple times. It helps us to find the total of equal groups. For example, if you have 3 groups of 2 apples each, you can use multiplication to find the total number of apples. Let's try multiplying some single-digit numbers. We'll start with 2 times 3. This means 2 groups of 3, which is 3 plus 3, which equals 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's try another one. 2 times 4. 2 groups of 4, which is 4 plus 4, which equals 8. Therefore, the answer to 2 times 4 is 8. Multiplication tables help us to remember the results of multiplying numbers. For example, from the table, we see that 3 times 4 equals 12. Learning multiplication tables makes it easier to multiply numbers quickly. So multiplication helps us to find the total of equal groups. In our next video, we'll be learning about basic division. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icons for more math videos. Peace!